This time of year, when the summer sun is blazing, I want to remind you that it's important to stay hydrated. It may sound obvious, but so many of us forget to drink that extra glass of water or eat foods that are high in water content. Now, the basic rule of thumb is that you should drink about 8 glasses of water a day, especially if you're outside. And if you're thinking, I can't drink all that water, then make sure you eat lots of fruits and veggies, since they're packed with water. And for a cool way to stay hydrated, how about making some frozen fruit pops? No worries, they're easy. All we do is place chunks of watermelon in a blender or a food processor, along with a bit of water and a little sugar. After it's blended, we pour it into popsicle molds or into paper cups. To take these to another level, we can add some cut up fruit or fresh mint. Once they're frozen, they're ready to enjoy. Get ready for a cool and refreshing treat that'll help you stay hydrated on those hot summer days. To get the recipe for what we call fruity watermelon pops, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cool and refreshing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.